guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Escarabajo de Patas de Rana, or the frog beetle in English. And of course guys, you know this is the next in the Bichos or bugs collection. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like bugs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or Bugs. And guys, this is none other than the Escarabajo Patas de Rana, or in English it's called the frog beetle. There he is. And well guys, let's open this up. Sorry that this magazine is a bit destroyed. But well guys, here it gives some information about this bug. It gives information about its habitat, some general observations. There you can see a picture of the slide, which I'll show you in just a minute. And it shows you like its antenna and legs and that sort of thing. And it gives the scientific classification of this particular species. And here it talks about the leaf beetles. Which one do you guys like better? Do you like the green better or the red one better? I kind of like the green one better. Oh, but this one's really pretty too. Oh, why are they all so pretty? Like, that's the thing with bugs, right? It's like everyone thinks that they're like gross or whatever. And yeah, they're gross, but at the same time, they're kind of pretty. I mean, they're like bright colors and... I mean, look at that. You're gonna tell me that that's not pretty. I mean, look at this one. He's basically made of glitter. And this one is like gold and bright green. He looks like he's made out of gold and jade. I mean, jeez. These guys are impressive. And here it shows you, as always, some of the different types that live around the world. You guys tell me which one do you guys like the most. Tell me down in the comments below. Personally, I like this one. Because look at him, he's like holographic. He's like red and blue and like green and shiny. For me, that's really cool. And here it shows some of their main habitats. Hey, there's my favorite one. They look really cool. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you guys think? Oh, and evidently some of them are poisonous. That might explain why they're bright colors, because typically bright colors in nature mean that they're poison, or they're trying to make other animals think that they're poison. And here it gives some of their predators. Birds, of course, wasp. We've actually unboxed a wasp in this collection. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to check out the playlist located in the in cards. And also, other insects also attack these guys. It's a bug-eat-bug world. Wow. There you have some larvae. And over here it gives some puzzles. And well guys, that's the end of that. And now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new frog leg beetle. It's really cool because depending on how you turn him, he's either like a more reddish or a more greenish. And as you can see, you can clearly see here why he gets his name of the frog beetle, because those back legs are really powerful for jumping like frog. I really like how his legs look. They look like little leaves. And then there's the side. And his underside. I really like his legs. They look really cool. And the same with his antenna. They look like little vines. This guy must hide really well from predators. Here's his face. And well guys, you tell me what you guys think about this bug. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way you will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this collection? I would love to hear from you. And guys, of course, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.